Hi everyone, I'm Michele from Missoun. In this short video, I show you how to import a new item in the Missoun PLM platform from an Excel file. We enter the application with an engineer role. The application shows us the list of configured items. The sample scenario shows items configured by a bicycle manufacturer. By clicking on Import, you can access the relevant page. At the top of the page, you can see that this is a three-step process. It is possible to import both items and bill of materials. In this video, we show how to import an item. We select Yes on Import Items, and the application asks us if we want to add or even update the items which are already in the system. Let's select the first option. Now, before going to the next page, we select the file to import, and I want to show you the contents of the Excel file that we are going to import in the application. So we browse for the file, and we can see that the file consists of several columns. Let's see the file together. The fields are level, which shows the level of the item within the bill of material. In this specific case, the field is not filled in because we are not importing a bill of material, but just item. The part number, the revision, the name of the item, the unit of measure, a description, the category to which the item belongs, possible notes, the life cycle of the item, and finally, the quantity. At this point, we can go back to the application and click on Next. On the next page, we can see the contents of the imported file. It is possible to change the width of the columns to better view all the fields. If there are no errors, as in this case, we can proceed to the next page. In this page, the application confirms that the data have been successfully imported. We can then finish the process. We don't see any error message, so we click on Finish. At this point, we can search for the new item that we just imported, and we can check its details. We filter using the category, and we select the new item. By clicking on View, we can see the details of the item and check that they are actually aligned with the data that we imported from the Excel file. Thank you for your attention. If you are interested in importing BOMs from Excel files, you can consult our next video on that subject. See you soon, and thanks a lot.